Hi everybody. It's a beautiful day, a little bit sad because today is the first day mom is not here at the house. She almost reached the destination. She's almost home and we are so sad. We're so used to have her here and it was a wonderful month. It was so good. I think the best month since we living abroad. And we really hope she will come back very soon. And yeah, very soon. Now today I'm just tidying around and doing laundry. I love the smell of fresh laundry in the backyard, and it's just so good. The garden is in full bloom. I want to sit here and look at the flowers and do nothing. But I have a few things to do, so I have to choose the funniest project for today, and I think I will go to get some gravel and some stones for the garden. In some of the areas of the garden where we have gravelled path, it's thinned so much, we have holes, so we have to refill the gravel, and there are places where rocks are missing, so I will go now to get some rocks and the gravel, and actually I have to create few supports for the roses and for the tomatoes. And I thought maybe today will be the day, the welding day, sort of gardening and welding. I don't know. I will go first to get gravel and then I see how I feel. Also, my neighbor asked me to weld something for him, to fix one thing by tomorrow. So I think it's destiny. Now I've got my things, some rocks from the pile. I don't need much. Actually I needed round rocks for the pond. Round are always better. And I've got some gravel for refilling. And also I got some rebars for the supports for the roses and tomatoes. So I think it's a welding day today. And unfortunately again the weather is changing. It was such a lovely morning, sunshine and warmth, and now look at these clouds. Do you think it's gonna rain? I think it is really, very probably it will. I've created few designs for the rose supports, and I have my favorites. And the favorite one I would say is actually the one at the top there. It is just, oh, you can't see it, it's this rose. It's not that big. Here is another one. The perfect size so far is this one. It's not too wide, it's not too tall, and it's the right size. Also I like the three frames, this one, but unfortunately as it has only three legs, it tends to sleep on one side. So yeah, I think this design is not perfect. I just like how it looks like. So remeasure this one, and I will create a couple of those. And also I need to create a long one for the tomatoes. So we will see how it goes. And here I have new rose in bloom actually. Very excited to see this one. It smells just absolutely amazing, and the color is so soft. This one is, let me have a look, this one is the shepherd dress. I hope, from David Austin, and the scent is divine, and so many flower buds. Look at that. And Claire Austin started today. Isn't she just gorgeous? Also, Rose Romantic started here, and it all covered in flower buds. I just can't wait the moment all of them will open. It will be endless cloud of lovely flowers covered in bees and bumblebees. The only thing here I'm not happy about is the irises. They were absolutely amazing when in bloom, but slugs eat them. You see all the holes, and every night I'm getting out and I'm just killing all the slugs. And they eat the irises, and they don't look pretty. Everything is perfect except for those holes on the beautiful leaves. So I'm considering moving the irises on the background by the wall and replace them with something that will be slug resistant, and we won't have to look at those eaten leaves and all the holes. Oh, it is such a shame, but look at that. Well, it looks like it's gonna rain, but the forecast says it's only 25% of rain. I think I can start, and then if rain starts, then I move inside and do something else. I cut the pieces, and it seems to be the best design was 130 for the sides and 30 for the roof. And I'll make one, and if this is the one, then I will just keep making same ones. My project is going really well. I'm creating actually 4th frame now. You can't see this one, it is disappearing on the stone wall. It's my first one with a little mistake here, but it won't be seen. I love it. I already spray painted, it's looking wonderful. I have 2 more to paint. This one will be for the tomatoes, beautiful little house, and this one I might change because it's really pretty and there is no mistakes on that one, so I might change, swap with this one and move this one into the vegetable garden. And oh, I love them so much. I think they're so pretty, just so pretty. And I'm creating now the second one for the tomatoes, the big house, which will be going to the Charlotte's garden for our shared vegetable patch. And my supports are ready. I have created 4 in total, 2 big ones for the tomatoes and 2 little ones for the roses. I really like the big one. It is too big for my garden, for the vegetable garden. It's perfect for shallots. It's 1 meter wide. For my garden I did 50 centimeters wide, and I will need second one because it's for the round bed. I need 2 to put in different angles, and I hope it will be enough, but if not, I can always create as many as I want.